Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to back up your iPhone. That is, you will be able to make a copy of all your data in case something happens to your device. Watch this. First, you go into the settings of your iPhone. Now you click on iCloud. You open iCloud, click on iCloud again. Wait a couple seconds, and then you'll find Device Backups. Click on that. Here you can check this box and enable automatic backup of your device. Or if you're not sure that all the data is backed up, click Backup Now. As soon as you click here, the data will immediately start saving. And when you go to your new device and enter your iCloud, the data will be saved. As you can see, this is a very easy and quick way to do it. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.